Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 295 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Autumn Sanctuary, a space of warmth, stillness, and inner peace within the changing season. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the air move gently through your body. With each inhale, imagine breathing in comfort, the scent of earth, the glow of candlelight, the calm of an October evening. And with each exhale, release tension, hurry, and noise. Picture yourself surrounded by amber light, wrapped in the soft hush of autumn. This is your sanctuary, a space that asks nothing of you but to simply be. Now, say to yourself, I am safe here. Peace lives within me. And this moment is my refuge. Allow this stillness to cradle you, grounding your spirit in quiet gratitude. No need to chase or fix. Just breathe, rest, and trust the peace that lives inside you. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back and carry this sanctuary with you wherever you go. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.